You make me wanna eat you. Every time I see you, it's like the first time I meet you. Fragrance like a flower, subtle and sweet too. Seductive and whatever, it might as well be see-through.
Yo, what's going on, you guys? My name is Owen. Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are all having a great day so far. Today's video is gonna be something that was highly requested from you guys, which is to showcase some of my pant collection. I can't show my entire pant collection because that would take hours. I have so many pairs of pants, but for a happy middle ground, I wanna showcase 10 pairs of pants that have been in my recent rotation. In addition, I will be showcasing everything in order of price from least expensive to most expensive. Also, there is a Somar release sprinkled in the middle of the video, so stick around for that. I've got a huge stack of pants to go through, so let's get started with the first pair. So the first pair of pants is something that I've talked about in one of my previous videos. These were only $35 and they're one of the easiest pairs of pants I can throw on. These are the Dickies loose fit double knee work pants. Very, very beautiful, easy to wear pair of pants. I did take off all of the Dickies branding in case you're wondering. That's why there's no patch on the double knee or near the work pocket on the back. There's a plain black pair of suit pants with a nice little double knee detail. Originally these were pleated, but because I've washed them and dried them so many times, the pleats kind of been pressed out. I did also release the bottom hem because I wanted a little bit of extra length on my pants. And because I got so many questions last time, I will be leaving a direct link to these pants exactly in the description below. This next item I did also show off in my last video, but in case you didn't see it, this comes in at the number 2 spot. These were $160 off of eBay. And there's so many pairs of very similar to these on eBay. Some are a little bit more expensive, some are a little bit cheaper. These are a vintage pair of flared leather motorcycle pants. They have this beautiful flare detail and they just fit perfectly on me. They have this little lace up front detail, which is really cool because it kind of acts as like a drawstring. At first I was a little skeptical about the lace up front, but because they have this like leather flap behind the ties, nothing shows at all. You don't get to see her like boxers or anything. It's a lot of fun to style with. Even though it is summer right now, sometimes it's gotta break out the leathers for the summer. And yeah, these have been a lot of fun to wear. The next 2 items I'm grouping together because they're basically the exact same pair of pants, just 2 different colorways. Highly, highly anticipated drop. This is gonna be a big one. These are the Somar G74 Tassel pants. These are my personal pairs I've been wearing for months now. I am finally able to release these to you guys. The wait has been so long. Just to go over the release info real quick, since I know you guys want that. These are gonna be coming out on July 29th at 9 a.m. PST or 12 p.m. EST, which is noon. They're gonna be $165. For either the black pair or the white pair. It's gonna be the exact same price. Time to hop in some of the details. So these are sort of like a V2 of a pair of pants I released last year, which are the G73 Tassel trousers. They were sort of like an enzyme wash denim, and I figured that the next evolution should be more of like a suit pant. We found this really beautiful material. It has a really beautiful weight. It's like not too heavy, not too light. It has 2 zipper welt pockets up front with the tassels hanging down below. And because it is a V2 now that we have our own hardware for Somar, the zipper fly has been replaced with a stunning button fly with all of the new custom hardware. Hopefully the camera is able to pick up the embossing on that. Yeah, I'm really stoked to finally get to use these buttons. And yeah, the pants just like fit amazing. You guys can tell they have a really nice flared boot cut fit, nice long inseam. This is the black pair with the nice heel bite right there. You guys know I love my heel bite. And then my white pair, which has the white tassels, by the way, and then also the silver hardware instead of the matte black hardware. That's the only change between the white pair and the black pair. Same fit, and then because it is white, the heel bite does show up a lot easier as well. The white pairs are much more limited than the black pairs. Obviously, I think people generally wear black pants more than white pants, so we stock those more than the white ones. Put all the release info down below. Tune into the Somar page. You know the rollout is gonna be crazy. You guys have been asking for these for a minute, so I'm glad they're finally ready to release. And there's also gonna be some other stuff in that release too. So you might want to take a peek at the Somar page. So this next pair of pants, I probably shouldn't really be showing you guys this early because it's only a second sample. I don't know what it's gonna be priced at yet, but I figured it probably fits into this little price gap in the list. Yeah, these are some really cool pants. Again, it's a second sample, so there might be some changes to the final version, and I don't know when exactly these are gonna come out, but it will be like a 2-piece drop. These are the Gore-Tex Somar cargo pants with the extremely wide leg opening. These are so freaking cool. I am over the moon with how these came out. If you were at the Grunt Boot release here in my studio in LA, then you got to see me wear the first sample of these, which were not Gore-Tex. Now I've got a Gore-Tex variation. I think they're so cool. I love the little Somar hardware on the fly and also on the cargo pockets, which are 3D cargo pockets, by the way. You guys might be able to see how they jet out a little bit. These are completely tape seamed on the inside. No water is getting in these. They have these really cool sort of like hidden pockets in the back, sort of like different than a standard back pocket detail that you might find on like some Levi's. But on the front, it's got the standard 3 pocket. I just love this fit. It's something that's new for Somar. I haven't really done anything this wide before. I might change a couple of like very slight measurements, but the general idea is gonna be the same. And these are gonna come out with the rain jacket as well, if you guys remember seeing that. Just wanted to show you those real quick. I've been wearing them a ton, as you guys can tell. So yeah, let's move on to the next pair. This next item was actually sent over to me from Veilance. They asked me if I wanted a couple items from their new collection, and I had to say yes. I'll include the rest of the items in a future pickup video. These are the Sphere LT shorts in the black colorway. It's a really technical pair of shorts. It's got tape seams all over on the inside. It's got a Cobrax slide button with some drawstrings as well, because the back is actually elasticated, which is really nice. So they're extremely comfortable. They're kind of lightweight, but I love that they do have like a longer inseam. They come across as sort of like a dressier pair of shorts. It's got little darting details on the front. Hopefully the camera can pick that up. And on the back side, it's got this really beautiful pocket detailing. I've never seen that shape of pocket before. And yeah, they're just really smart. I love wearing some longer inseam shorts, so I had to show you guys these. They're on the website for $250, so yeah, let's move right on to the next pair. So next up is a pair of jeans that I got off Grailed a while ago for $290, but the price does vary a lot from each pair depending on the year they are made and also the fading on them and like which variation there are, since there's so many different variations. These are a pair of the standard faded blue Helmut Lang jeans. I believe they're from '98, and they have probably like the most perfect wash I've ever seen on some jeans. I love the fading on them and the whiskering and the honeycombing. It's just like a beautiful, beautiful faded pair of jeans. They're pretty standard though. There's like a slim, straight sort of fit, nothing crazy, not like a boot cut fit or anything. They do have some nice heel bite action going on, which is really cool. And yeah, honestly, there's not that much to them. I just wanted to show you guys these really quickly because I figured it'd be good to include some blue jeans. I have one more pair of blue jeans that actually shows up next in the price tier list. So let me go ahead and grab those real quick. Next up is another pair of blue jeans. I said that previously, those Helmut Lang jeans were my favorite mid-wash pair of jeans. These are easily my favorite light wash pair of jeans. These retailed for, I think, $320, and these are the OFiles vintage sand washed flared jeans. As you guys can tell, the flare is stunning on these, and the color is so sick. I love when light wash jeans have like a slight tan fade to them. It's like the ideal fade that I'm after. Light distressing all over. It's most apparent though on the bottom hems. There's like a few loose threads here and there. And then on the back side, it does have the O and the F embroidered on the back pockets with a little leather patch. And yeah, these are such a nice pair of jeans. The quality is crazy nice. I love the weight of the denim as well. They're so soft. They look great on body. You guys will see in the footage. I'm a huge fan of these, so thank you, Oscar, for letting me grab a pair. So moving on to some black jeans. I haven't talked about these in a little bit, and these are my go-to black jeans as of recent. I'm not gonna lie, I think I kind of put these on the map because I hadn't seen anybody talk about these before. I mentioned them or I showed them off, whatever. These are the Acne Studios 2021 M jeans in the vintage black colorway. I think there's like 5 colorways now. I love the fade on them. I love like the in-between black and gray color that they are. They're sort of like a baggy, flared pair of jeans. They're not necessarily flared, but they're also not like a plain wide leg. They just have like a slight taper out for the leg opening. And then there's just so many nice little like small details about these jeans that I love. You can still buy these online because they're continuously restocking them. I believe they're right around that $340 mark. Depends on what site you look on though. I've been wearing these for probably around like 4 or 5 months now. My personal pair is just absolutely destroyed. The heel bite is crazy on these. As you guys can see, some fabric is missing down there. They're salvage as well, which is really cool, and I love the little pink thread that they used all over. So yeah, if you're looking for some wide leg jeans and you don't mind splashing a little bit of cash, I think these are honestly the way to go. So these have probably been my go-to pair of shorts to wear as of recent. It is a pair of Rick Owens Spring Summer 2016 Cyclops cargo shorts. They are a sick pair of shorts. I haven't known anything like this before. I don't think I've ever had cargo short. The cargo pocket kind of extends below the inseam of the short, which is really sick. And they do have an elasticated waist and really big back pockets right there. They are kind of oversized, kind of like boxy fitting. This is a silhouette that Rick has done multiple times. He's done them in leather. He's re-released them over the years, and this is just probably my favorite one because of the material choice. I think this is the only season where they did this specific material choice. And yeah, they've just been so easy to throw on. They look great with boots. I got these off of Grailed for $350. I've seen them go for a lot higher and I've seen them go for a little bit lower. So I think I actually got a pretty good price on these. I'm really excited to beat these in because they're pretty much brand new when I got them. So I think they'll fade in great. So the last pair of jeans I got for an absolute steal. Technically I got them for cheaper than the pair of shorts that I just showed you guys, but it was a great deal. And normally they don't go for anything near that. So I put them in the number 10 spot still. The retail right now, I think you can grab them on sale for around $600. And it is this pair of Rick Owens Dark Shadow Geth jeans, which is easily the biggest pair of jeans I have right now. They are massive. These are 16-ounce denim, which is the heaviest denim that I have, and they're also salvaged too. It's a black on black denim, which is really sick. So normally when you see like a pair of blue jeans, it's white and blue thread. This is black and black thread, which is really sick. And you can just see that black selvage right there on the inside lining. These have already been chewed up a little bit, as you guys can tell. Some heel bite already starting. I actually love how structured they are. They're so stiff, and I'm just looking forward to beating these into the ground and seeing how they look in a year or two. The Geth cut I think is such a nice fitting pair of pants. So if you're after something that's like really, really wide legged, something that's extremely baggy, this would be your way to go. And that wraps it up for the pant collection. That's gonna conclude today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Once again, the drop info for the Tassel trousers is July 29th at 9 a.m. PST. Do not be late. I expect these to go pretty quickly. Catch you next time. Take it easy. Later.